The pre-control technique is used to prevent non-conforming parts from being produced. It is often used instead of statistical process control. The SymphonyTech pre-control workbench software helps you practice pre-control in your operations. The video shows the workflow of pre-control. Set up the process. Define the name of the characteristic you need to monitor and its tolerances. Pre-control will work with tolerance limits. You can define multiple characteristics for a process. The data for each process is stored in a file that you specify. Your pre-control chart is now ready. The chart divides the specification into 3 zones. The central 50% zone is the green zone. The 25% zones on each side are the yellow zones. The zones beyond the specification limits are the red zones. Parts falling in the red zones are non-conforming parts. The first stage in pre-control is the qualification stage. Monitor and plot measures of the parts as they are produced. You will need 5 parts in a row that lie in the green zone to qualify the process. Once the process is qualified, you may shift to production monitoring. You need to measure 2 samples. If both parts fall in the green zone, continue running the process. If one or both parts fall in the yellow zone on the same side, investigate reasons for process drift, correct the process, and continue running. If two parts fall in opposite yellow zones, investigate the reasons for excessive process variation, correct the process, and continue running. Should one or both parts fall in the red zone, stop the process, investigate the reasons for non-conformance, and correct the process. The process will need to be requalified with 5 parts in a row in the green zone before you continue pre-control monitoring. You may choose to log events along with the data for analysis and action. Explore process capability over your horizon of interest. Create professional reports of pre-control in a format that you choose. Print or share the reports as required. Implementing pre-control with pre-control workbench software is as simple as ABC.